All right, we got a package in the mail. And I think I know what it is. If you watch some of the earlier videos with Braun products, you'll know that I got a replacement foil cartridge for my Series 7 Razor that I was not really happy with the build quality of. And because they're $45 plus shipping, I bothered to contact Braun. And much to my surprise, they took my call and listened. And they said, no, here at Braun, we stand by our product. And true to their word, they have sent me out a free cartridge. So in my world, that's about 50 bucks. I'm so used to dealing with companies that don't stand by their product that when one actually does, it's actually a bit of a surprise. Well done, Braun.